Hi everybody, and welcome to this edition of Informatica Cloud, where we're really excited to show to you some revamped user interface features to help you be more productive when integrating your cloud applications. So let's get started and give you a brief overview as to what's coming up. The first thing you'll notice is you'll have centralized help features to help you open up a support ticket or access the Informatica Cloud Community for a wealth of tips and tricks and other information. In the activity logs, you can search for previous tasks and execute them. While you're in the middle of a task, you'll also be able to save that task instantly if you're ever interrupted. And finally, you have an easy and convenient way to restart jobs. So let's go ahead and take a look at what this looks like in the new Informatica Cloud interface. One of the first things you'll notice when you log into Informatica Cloud is that a variety of help features are clustered together on the right hand side of the screen. So let's go through each one of these help options in detail. Let's say you want to view some online training videos in order to accomplish your integration tasks. You go ahead and click on that icon and you'll be taken to the videos.informaticacloud.com homepage, where you can go ahead and look at other customers who've done successful work using Informatica Cloud, some demos, and some on-demand training. Next, with a single click, you can also visit the Informatica Cloud Community. And once you go there, you'll see all sorts of discussions, tips and tricks, announcements, according to the various categories. Let's say you have a little bit more of a serious issue and you want to submit a support request. You can do so with one click, select the severity, as well as the priority of your problem, and go ahead and summarize your problem and submit. And finally, you can also access online help with a single click and search through the variety of documentation available to you in the help guide. One of the exciting new UI features for Informatica Cloud is within the activity log screen. Over here, you can search for previously completed tasks. You can search by the task name, the error message, the task name only, or you can even go to some advanced search options. Under the advanced search options, you'll be presented with a variety of criteria by which you can narrow down your search for a typical type of task. You can narrow it down by a task type, you can narrow it down by a search string of the name of the task, by the time it was created, or by the status of the task. So let's say, for example, I wanted to search for all sorts of data synchronization tasks that failed. I'd go ahead and check the requisite boxes, click OK, and I got my result of tasks that failed. One of the most requested features from our customers was the ability to save a task in the midst of defining a task. Let's take this particular example, where I'm defining a Salesforce to NetSuite integration and I've reached the all-important stage of mapping the fields together. But before I can embark upon that, I've been called away for an emergency. At that point in time, under the Save button, I could save and close the task and always come back to it later on. I also have the ability to save and continue, or if I finished mapping my fields, I can even save and run. And finally, another useful UI feature is the ability for Informatica Cloud users to restart jobs. Now let's take this particular scenario where you've restricted your views to all the failed jobs and you want to restart one of these failed jobs. In this case, let's say you want to restart the failed job for Salesforce QA. So you would click on that restart icon and it would instantly restart it for you. Or you click on the job details and click on the restart button from within the job details. So let's go ahead and restart this task, and as you can see in the activity monitor, it's running in the background. Now let's go ahead and mouse over the Home tab once again, and let's check out the activity logs. You'll see that I'm still in the old view, and now I'm going to go and click on all jobs, and it's still running in the background. So that's the failed Salesforce QA job that we chose to restart, and it's still running. Oh, it's just finished. And so let's go back, and as you can see, the job completed successfully. Thank you for watching this demo on our exciting new revamped user interface features for Informatica Cloud. To experience these features for yourself, go to www.informaticacloud.com and click on the free 30-day trial button. Thank you.